Hi guys, it's my first video. This is from Big Lots. It's called a Robots Fighter, and then it costs us $10. It's pretty rough. And then this can transform. Let's get to it. Oops, that popped off. These can't pop. Then you do that. You do that. You do that. You put that down. Get the head. If you have trouble, just push it from the bottom. And then you do that. And then push this back a little bit. And then you put the arms out. The arms are connected, so it might... Okay, so here's the rotation. Legs. Hold on. Rotation. Its legs can go back and forth. So it's the legs. And you can pretend it's like flying. And then you can turn it this way. You can move its arm this way. There's ball joints so it can't fall off. And then you can do this. And you can like pose it like this. And then you have like mighty arms. And then the part that I don't like about it, so it's for the transformation back. So we have to transform this back. First you take that. You're gonna put the head down. Put this down, like take the bottom. You're gonna take the legs, do this. Okay, this is the part I don't like about it. Whenever you put the arms, if you put like whenever the arms go down, it can grab stuff, but the hands can't do that because they're too small to hold stuff. But some stuff, and then like it goes to transformation, so that's why I don't like that part. So I usually hide it. Let's go back on. This is my first video in the whole entire world. It's going to YouTube. Now it's going to be on YouTube in 2 seconds. There you go. There you go. There you go. I'm going to just do this. It's a punching skill. And then this can also fly. So like if you put the arm standing, like pretend it's crossing its arms, it looks like it's flying pouty. Like I can slide to the other side, slide to the other side. And then this is pretty cool. Bye, subscribe.